How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
Top of the morning to you.
Top of the morning to you.
Wow! Siyempre, bibili kami ng maraming durian at lansones at mangustin.
See you at ER Mall para sa anniversary. Magdadrive kami sa Mati.
Ano na? We're excited to perform for you tonight. But tulog muna kami, ha?
Babae, kita taon niya. Mga Bisaya. Basta Bisaya, kahit bom.